Brief stall there, my phone rang, sorry about that guys. Yeah, just going to attach this reel, it's the mag reel. Just going to put that in there like that, into the reel seat. And screw that down. And that, if you can see, I'll line out away on my reel. Bit of cellophane still on there, which I can't break. I always do stuff like this when I'm making videos. Absolutely useless, leave it there for now. So that's sat on there. It feels decent enough. Right. I feel like this is going to be a bit of a shitty video, but hard to see here. Better to see soon. I'm going to take it out and give it a cast about for a bit. I'll let you know how it goes. Catch you in a bit.